Have you ever stared at your phone, typing a message, deleting it, typing it again, because your heart knows what it wants to say, but your fear won't let you send it? You like him. Your heart beats faster when he texts. You replay his smile in your head. You imagine what it would feel like if he felt the same. But there's one terrifying question holding you back. What if I ruin everything? Today, I'm going to show you how to tell your crush you like him, not dramatically, not desperately, but honestly, from the heart. First, understand why it feels so scary. Confessing your feelings isn't scary because it's silly, it's scary because it matters. You're not afraid of the words, you're afraid of the outcome. You're afraid he'll say, "I don't feel the same." You're afraid the friendship might change, afraid things might get awkward. Afraid you'll look foolish for caring too much. But here's the truth. Vulnerability is not weakness, it's emotional strength. And the fact that you care this much, it means your feelings are real. Step 1. Make sure it's truly him, not just the idea of him. Before you confess, pause. Ask yourself, do I genuinely like who he is? His character, his flaws, his personality? Or do I just like the attention, fantasy, the comfort of having someone to think about? Because when you confess from loneliness, you seek validation. But when you confess from clarity, you seek connection. And connection always feels calmer. Step 2. Choose the right moment, not the perfect words. You don't need a dramatic speech. You don't need background music and a sunset. You need a calm moment, somewhere private, somewhere natural, somewhere you both feel relaxed. Timing is more powerful than perfection. Don't blurt it out during chaos. Don't confess when he's stressed or distracted. A simple, quiet moment is enough, because when something is real, it doesn't need theatrics. Step 3. Speak simply. Speak softly. Speak honestly. This is where most people go wrong. They over-explain, they over-apologize, they over-pressure. Don't say, "I've been in love with you forever and I need to know right now how you feel." That creates pressure. Instead, try something gentle, something like, "I've really enjoyed spending time with you lately and I've started to see you a little differently." Or, "I just wanted to be honest. I like you and I felt like you should know." Notice something? It's calm. It's confident, it's honest. You're not demanding, you're not begging, you're simply sharing. That's what from the heart looks like. Step 4. Detach from the outcome. This part is the hardest and the most powerful. When you confess your feelings, your job is not to control his response. Your job is to honor your truth. If he smiles and says he feels the same, beautiful. If he says he needs time, respect it. If he doesn't feel the same, that hurts. But listen carefully. Rejection does not mean you're not enough. It means he's not aligned. And the right man will never be scared of your honesty. He won't be confused by your clarity. He won't be threatened by your vulnerability. The right one will appreciate it. And if he doesn't feel the same, allow yourself to feel disappointed. But don't shrink. Don't regret being brave. Because expressing your heart is a win. No matter the outcome. It builds confidence, it builds emotional maturity, it builds self-respect. And self-respect is magnetic. One day, someone will look at you and think, "I'm so glad she was brave enough to say how she feels." Final truth. Telling your crush you like him isn't about getting a yes, it's about choosing courage over fear. It's about saying, "My feelings are valid and I'm not ashamed of them." Love begins with honesty, and sometimes the most attractive thing you can do is simply speaking your heart calmly and let the universe handle the rest. If this resonated with you, like this video, subscribe for more real and honest relationship advice, and remember, the right person will never punish you for being sincere.